Hi everyone, this is Ann. I have a really great tip for you today, and this is for both men and women. It has to do with hair growth and specifically for thinning hair or hair loss. So if you know anyone who has an issue with thinning hair or hair loss, please be sure to share this video with them because I have seen some really amazing results just within 6 weeks. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just sharing with you what I've had some amazing results with over the last 6 weeks of using this product. And I paid $10 for it. It's an all-natural product. It's very simple to use. And I'll go ahead and do a demonstration of how I apply it later. But I wanted to show you my before and after photo. And this is after 6 weeks of use. And I applied this product right to my temple area where I had a little bit of thinning now that I'm 50, and this has really dramatically helped to fill in my temple area of my hair, and that's the only area that I applied it, and this is just after 6 weeks. I think the results are amazing, and I think this could help a lot of people who suffer with thinning hair or hair loss. The product that I've been applying once a day to my temple area is topical melatonin, and there have been a lot of studies done on topical melatonin and hair growth, and I wrote down some of the more interesting facts. This is a DHT blocker, and topical melatonin can reduce hair loss up to 66% within 3 months. It also can increase hair density over 55% within 6 months. And all you do is apply it once a day at nighttime, and then in the morning you just rinse it off. And all I do is, it comes in a little pump, and all I do is just take about that much of the product, and right on my temple area, I just apply it right where I want it, and then leave it, and I go to bed. And then in the morning I go ahead and rinse that off. If you find my videos helpful and you're not already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my future videos. And I'll go ahead and put the link to where I purchased my topical melatonin beneath this video down in the description box, and I'll go ahead and link it to a couple different places in case you want to do some price comparisons. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful.